Most people can't stand the sound of their own voice. They think it's cringy, disconnected, too high, too screechy. But in this video, I'm going to teach you how to bring your speaking voice from cringy to a glorious, rich, and impactful sounding voice. Hey, I'm Gabriel from GB Voice Academy, your voice coach to connect your heart to your emotions and your body. Now, in this video, I'm going to be sharing you some game-changing exercises that professional actors and singers use. The main complaint I get from a lot of my clients is my voice sounds too high. I want a deeper voice. It's not that our voices are high, it's that our voices are disconnected. Disconnected to our body. It's not grounded enough. So when a voice is disconnected, it feels like we have no control. And that feeling of lack of control is what brings nerves and uncertainty, which feeds a less than desirable vocal delivery. If these are your problems, you've come to the right place. And for me to continue making these free videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel and also check out my 5-star best-selling voice training course that takes what I teach you here even further. So what do we mean by a deep voice? A deeper, richer, more connected voice does have more of an impact when you're delivering a speech. Not everyone is physically constructed to create a deeper sound. You have to think a connected voice. There's a big difference. What happens over the years, as we age, as we go through daily stress, we forget to connect with our body and our voices eventually disconnect and we end up being up here and talking here. Next thing you know, we're completely disconnected and talking from our head versus our body. There's a difference. And all it takes is a simple reminder and some exercises that I'm going to teach you here, so stick around. And at the end of this video, we're going to incorporate what I taught you into positive affirmations and tongue twisters so your brain could tie in this technique I'm going to teach you with your everyday conversational speech. Remember, we want to get it to a place where you're not thinking about it. It's just automatic. So what I mean by a more connected voice is a voice that is literally connected to your source. What I always like to say is, you know how in Iron Man, the character Iron Man has that sort of round symbol here that shines right here like it's like a power source? I want you to imagine that we all have this power source. I'll zoom out a bit so you can see what I'm talking about right here. Let's do a simple technique. I want you to grab your mouth like that. Now I want you to get your mouth and I want you to put it, attach it right to this power source. Put your hands right here and simply go, ah, from here. Ah. So do you notice now, when I'm speaking from this deeper place, my voice automatically drops. Not because I'm putting on a deep voice, it's because I'm resonating from a deeper place. If you look at a guitar, where is the hole of the guitar? It's in the centralized part of the body. So you gotta imagine that we're like a guitar. The resonation happens here versus here. Hi, my name is Gabriel. Disconnected, tense, squeaky, weird, cringy. Hi, my name is Gabriel. I didn't do much. I'm not forcefully dropping my voice. It's more connected. And the analogy I always like to use is you're connected to your heart. Where is your heart located? It's right there, right next to the power source I'm telling you about. So try that with me. Say, hi. Ah. You should feel your hand vibrate. Ah. If it's not vibrating, it means that it's resonating from here. Ah, not connected. Ah, connected. And a good way to open the passage is imagine you're yawning. Just yawn for me. Go, oh. Oh, you feel that resonation right here? So what you're doing is you're opening the airway, that connection that has probably been closed many years ago. So what we're doing is we're reopening that passageway from the power source to here. This is where the resonation happens. Why do you think that actors are able to do 8 shows a week on Broadway and never lose their voice? Same thing. Babies, when they cry from here. Wah, 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 and they can go on for hours because they're connected with their body. We've forgotten the cry of a baby. And that's where your voice gets weaker, drier, disconnected, and that's why after 10 minutes of speaking, your voice goes away. So remember this, okay? Throughout these exercises that I'm going to teach you, I want you to make sure your hand is here and check in on it. Make sure it's vibrating. So let's do some exercises. I want you to give me these zzz, as in zzz, the Z sound. Zzz. From there, I want you to go za, za, like in zombie. Za. The reason why I like the ah sound, as in call, fall, ball, is that it automatically drops that sound, right? Versus a vowel like ah, is up here, disconnected, whereas ah opens up that passageway. So using the Z sound, just give me 3 tonations, high, middle, and low. For example, za, za, za. Try it. So do you notice that when you go higher, we still have to maintain that connection? Because people think that when you speak with a higher tone, you're disconnected. On the contrary, it's still connected. Za, za, za. Yeah? Never disconnects, regardless of the range of our voice. Now let's go through another vowel sound, the ah sound. Yeah, it's a very bright American sound, ah, but it's still connected. Let's use that Z sound, za, za, za. Still connected. Try it. Nice. Your hand should be vibrating. Yeah? So regardless of the vowel sound, regardless of the range, the connection is always there. So now let's go through some very common self-affirming positive saying. Now, the reason why I'm choosing these positive self-affirming sayings is because it involves emotion. And this is another thing that people forget. A good, rich, connected sound needs to be attached to not only the body, but to your what? Your heart. Because if you're just a disconnected sound that sounds fantastic and you're just blah, 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 you just sound like another AI tool. But you are a human being going through human experiences. And when you connect heart and depth to your voice, people will sit down, they're going to put down their phones, and they're going to listen. So starting with the first one here. Hands here in your Iron Man, make it vibrate, okay? I am enough exactly as I am. And I want you to let these emotions swell up inside of you. Say it again and really feel it. I am enough exactly as I am. So now you're doing the dance. You got 2 things going on here. You have the connection and you have the heart. That is what we need moving forward. I deserve love, respect, and happiness. All of that is connected. I am capable of achieving great things. So you notice that I'm going high in my pitch. I am capable of achieving great things. And then eventually low. But all of it still connected. Versus, I'm capable of achieving great things. I might feel it, but it's not connected to my body, and it kind of sounds off-putting. There's something melodic, there's something appealing about a richer, more connected sound, both to your body and to your emotions. Yeah? Moving on. I trust myself to make wise decisions. I grow stronger and wiser every day. And use those pauses when we're talking. It's got so much more impact. I grow stronger, wiser every day. Not as impactful as I grow stronger, wiser every day. Emotion, emotion, emotion. Look, if it feels weird and cringy, close the door, make sure nobody's around. It's just you and me and I can't see and hear you. Don't be afraid to go there with those emotions because that's going to open the airway from your heart to your brain, to your brain, to your body. And if you practice this every day and the other videos on my YouTube channel, as well as my voice training course, you will automatically speak with emotion and connection without having to think about it. Moving on. I am proud of how far I've come. I choose peace over worry. So do you notice here, I didn't really give a lot of volume here, but I was still connected. I could be talking this quietly, but I'm still connected to my source and my heart. So connection stays regardless of volume and range. I am worthy of success and abundance. My challenges help me grow. I believe in myself and my ability to thrive. Connection, connection, connection. Very good. Now let's do some tongue twisters. So this involves technique as well as connection. That's why I want to work both of these together. Boldly believing, bravely becoming better, beyond boundaries. Emotion. Don't be afraid to emote. Persistent people power past problems with positive purpose. Dream-driven doers dare daily to defeat doubt. Fearless fighters forge forward, focused and free. Connect, use those pauses and range. Strong spirits steadily step through storms towards success. Fantastic. Now here's a little bonus I want to do. Let's do a very short speech, okay? A motivational speech using this technique. And you're going to see how the dance will take your voice to the next level. And I'm going to be really emphasizing the connection, the range, and the pauses. Pauses are so impactful. Why? It gives the listener the opportunity to take things in. So let's go through this motivational speech using the pauses, staying engaged to your body and your heart. You are stronger than you think. Every challenge you face is building resilience, courage, and wisdom inside you. Don't let fear decide your future. Take the step, even if it's small. Progress is made one brave choice at a time. See how I took my time towards the end of that. One brave choice at a time. Connected. All I'm doing is I'm speaking through here. It's awareness of where your body is resonating. That's all it is. You have overcome hard days before. You will do it again. Believe in your ability to grow, to adapt, and to rise. Keep going. Your best chapter hasn't been written yet. Connection to your heart, emotion. This, ladies and gentlemen, is not fake, weird, acty stuff that we're doing. This is real human connection. And this is how we are able to successfully deliver the message that we're trying to do, whether it's a Zoom meeting, whether it's talking to a loved one, whether it's a work-related conference where you're talking to hundreds of people. It all comes down to human connection from one to the other. We get too scared, we get in our head, we get disconnected, and we're living in here instead of here. These and many other steps to get you that much closer to a more connected, stronger, and impactful voice.